My name is Andreas Hüttner. I have been with Leithäusl for 15 years. I am the business manager and responsible for all the machinery and the fleet in our company. Before ToolSense, we managed our machines in a very traditional way. There were many lists, Excel format, some in paper form, and we were really operating in a very traditional manner. Now we have really made a huge leap and digitized a lot of processes. The process of equipment management for incoming and outgoing items at our workshop for repairs was really very traditional, written by hand on paper with delivery notes. It was then also very labor intensive to capture and manage so that you always know where the equipment is located. That's where the tool really shows its strengths, and with multi-scanning, it becomes significantly easier. We're now commenting on our previously handwritten checklists for machine inspections, all done with ToolSense. The mechanics are now really filling everything out one-to-one with the app. That really saves a lot of daily working time. Furthermore, our equipment regulation checks are now being carried out with ToolSense. They are thankfully available on site directly. With the app, and the foremen find it much easier to locate the documents. And even when any inspections by the labor inspectorate take place, you have all the documents with you on site. That's already a significant advantage. We were looking for fleet management software, and we checked out several fleet software options, but none of them were right for me. It just never fit. And then we stumbled upon the company ToolSense, or rather you found us and thought, okay, let's approach this from a different angle. We're not just going to take the devices with us. Instead, we're going to develop the device software and integrate the fleet. From the pilot phase until now, leading up to the go live. In early December, the support for the tools has actually been really good. The communication happens very quickly. We communicate via WhatsApp or other channels. The requirements are implemented very quickly. When compiling the checklist, there is an immediate response if any errors have slipped in or not. So that works really wonderfully.